The home stretch. Understanding a classic English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used English phrase, on the home stretch. This expression is not just about sports or physical activity. It has a deeper meaning in everyday language. Stay tuned as we break down its origin, meaning, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, on the home stretch, refers to being in the final phase or stage of an activity, project, or event. It signals that the end is near and that the most challenging parts are likely behind you. This term is especially powerful because it evokes a sense of relief and anticipation for completion. It's as if you can see the finish line in sight, and all you need to do is maintain your pace until you reach it. Originally, the term home stretch comes from the world of horse racing. In a racetrack, the home stretch is the final straight portion before the finish line. Over time, this concept was adopted into everyday language to describe approaching the end of any task or journey. It's a beautiful example of how sports terminology can enrich our everyday vocabulary, providing vivid imagery to express our experiences. Let's look at some examples of how you can incorporate on the home stretch into your speech. 1. After a long semester of studying and exams, we're finally on the home stretch. 2. Our team has been working on this project for months, but we're on the home stretch now. 3. With only a few chapters left to read, I'm on the home stretch of finishing this book. Notice how the phrase can be applied to various situations, from academic efforts to personal projects. It's versatile and adds a layer of excitement and anticipation to the narrative. Understanding and using phrases like, on the home stretch, can greatly enrich your English communication. It adds color and depth to your stories, making your experiences more relatable to your listeners. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase, and we encourage you to use it as you approach the final stages of your endeavors. Remember, being on the home stretch is a sign of perseverance and upcoming success. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.